Okay, so this is a 1998 Lexus ES300. I'm gonna do a ball cover gasket. I already took this one apart. I can show you later on. Now I'm taking the throttle body out. I took the air intake boot out, and for the throttle body, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after taking those 4 bolts out, there's gonna be this one hose that goes into our VRS valve. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take the sensor out for the throttle position sensor. Take that out. Take the IAC sensor out right there. Once I taken that out, then I got 3 hoses. So let me show you more. See the shiny one with this clamp? That's gonna go over here, and this one is going all the way down there. See right there? That's where it's going on the intake side, and there's another one right there. Hold on. Okay, so I showed you earlier that one right here. That was goes all the way back over there, and then there's this one right here that will go over there and right there. Okay, so these 2 hoses will come off, and then there's this hose right here that will also come out, that goes right attached to this one, the big one. Okay, and pretty much that's it. Those all 3 hoses, they come off, and then all there's left over is our throttle cable. So there's going to be this cable. Loosen this up if you want, and this will come right off from here, slide out, take the spring out, and also this valve that will come off right from here. It's gonna slide out. Okay, and pretty much that's it, and this will nicely come off. Okay, so let's do this. So I'm gonna start taking those hoses off first, those bottom ones. Can you see? There's more body right there. And that's so hard to put the fucking camera. There we go. So let's take the sensor first, throttle position sensor. So this, unplug that. Unplug the idle air control valve sensor, the plug. just rushing out quickly, trying to unplug everything. And 3 hoses in the bottom that I'm going to remove right now. First, the big hose came off. I'm going to remove this one now. Fucking hate these small clamps. Especially if you're trying to like rush things, and then those small clamps always give you a problem. Oh shit, that's a coolant hose. Those 2 lines that goes inside the engine, those are your coolant hoses. Basically, those coolant hoses, both of them, they attach to your idle air control valve, and your intake. Okay, I definitely need to go grab something in order to block those coolant hoses. Actually, I'm gonna mess up the timing, so now I'm trying to remove these cables, which is literally really easy to take off. Let me just set up my tools for a second. Okay, let's do this. So you see the cable, I'm gonna take this out like that and then just slide that through, basically right here like that. See this? It goes in like here and just slide it right out. So take out this one, and then there's another one right here in the bottom, right there. See this? So I just take a little screwdriver and just like that pull it out. There you go. That's done. And then just gotta remove the spring. So just from here, see, come off this. And right there, a spring is out. I'm gonna take this spring completely out in case if I don't lose it when I'm gonna take out the intake and valve cover. Guys, honestly, my whole intake boot is so dirty right now. Like, it's all full of oil, pretty much. Now those hoses. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna bring a small hose that I can maybe join them together. Okay. I think I might have a perfect solution to it. Let's see. I think you see this. Just gonna grab this pipe. I'm just gonna probably need to have both of them joined together so this way it's not like leaking all over the place. Well, hopefully that's a try, and fingers crossed if that works. They're right there. Okay, I thought this would work, but I guess not. Okay, I need to go figure something else out because that's not working. Maybe a screwdriver. Maybe if I can grab like 2 screws that I can probably fit in there. What about this? No. Okay, I got one solution right there.